Now I will show you how to set up a mega menu in the Kalles theme. First up, we have the logo here. To design the logo, I am going to use Canva. I will go to Canva and then search for logo in the search bar. This will show me all the available templates. I will simply choose one of these templates and then click on Customize. Now, we are at the Canva editor. Here, I will remove all the unnecessary elements. I will change the text to Lil Tomatoes, which is the brand name. Next, I will simply go through these different fonts and see which one fits with it. Alright, this one looks good, so let's continue with it. Next, I will go to the elements and search for tomatoes. Here, I have a lot of graphics to choose from. Most of these graphics are premium, but some of them are free as well. If you don't find a good element in this list, then you can go to this website called Flat Icon. This website contains hundreds and thousands of copyright-free icons, which you can use on your logo. Simply search for what you are looking for, and it will show you the icons. Next, copy the icon that you like, and then paste it on Canva. I will place the icon at the center. Next, I will change the text to a curved shape, and then place it like this. And just like this, our logo is ready in less than 2 minutes. To download the logo, click on this share button and then download. Next, I will go back to the Shopify editor and then go to Settings on the left. Here, go to the header option and then upload your logo. You can also adjust your logo width from here. If the logo looks too small, simply click on this Edit button. This is the Shopify image editor. Here, I want to remove these extra spaces beside the logo. So I will select a square shape and then crop the image. I will apply the changes and then save the logo. And now if we go back, you'll see that the logo is looking much bigger now. We also have different header design options here. You can simply choose any design you want to show on your page, and then we can customize it later on. For now, let's continue with the inline header. This one is easy to understand and implement. Unlike other free and premium themes, Kalles Theme's MegaMenu offers a lot of advanced customization, so you need to pay more attention from now on. This is the current menu of our store. If you hover over each option, you'll see different types of mega menus. The cool thing about Kalles MegaMenu is that you can control every item separately from the left settings. If you click on this Add Block option, you'll see 3 different options. We have the Mega item, drop-down item, and the Base item. The Mega items are used for setting up the Mega menus. In this example menu, we have the Shop, Products, and Sales options, which are made using the Mega item. Next, if you hover over this Lookbook option, you'll see this drop-down menu, which is made using the drop-down item. Lastly, we have these other menu options, which are made using the base items. In short, you need to use the Mega item to show the Mega menu, the drop-down item to show a drop-down menu, and the base item to show a simple menu. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll see this Mega Menu option. Under the Mega Menu, you'll see a lot of options. Kalles Theme provides 8 different blocks to use in the Mega Menu. In this list, you'll see this Mega Menu Parent option, and then you'll see these other options with a child label. I know it might seem confusing, so let me explain it with an example. This is a sample Mega Menu, which has 3 levels. First up, we have the main menu, which is the first level of the menu. It contains options like Solutions, About Us, Projects, etc. Under Solutions, we have the Mega Menu, and this Mega Menu also has 2 levels. This is the second level of the menu, and then we also have the third level of the menu. In the Kalles theme, the second and third levels are considered as child menu, and then the main menu is considered as the parent menu. Okay, now let's again look at the Mega Menu options. We have this Mega Menu Parent option, and then we have 7 child options. The parent block basically assigns the child blocks to the parent menu. To give you a better example, I will simply delete all the menu items from this list. I will also delete every item from the Mega Menu. And now we have a clear and clean interface where I will show you everything from the very beginning. Let's get started. First, under the header inline, I will click on Add Block and then select a base item block. Next, I will name it as Home. This option will be linked to the home page of the store. You can also add an icon along with this menu item. Simply click on this blue text and it will show you all the available icons. Here, you only need to search for the icon you want. Next, when you click on it, it will get copied, and then you only need to go back and paste it on the icon name section. And as you can see, the highlighter is added in the menu item. Next, you can also enable this custom heading color option, which will basically change the color of this menu item. Lastly, we have this label text option, which allows us to add labels on every menu item. We can even decide the color of the label, which is really amazing. Keep in mind that we've used the base item, which means that we won't be able to show any MegaMenu under this home option. Alright, now I'm going to add a mega item in the menu. I will name it as New Arrivals. Next, I will add another mega item in the menu, but this time I will name it as Offers. Lastly, I will add a base item in the menu and then name it as Contact Us. I will also link the contact page here. And just like this, the first level of our menu is ready. In this menu, the home page and the contact page is made using the base item, and the New Arrivals and Offers option are made using the mega item. If I choose the New Arrivals option, you'll see that it contains more options as compared to the base item. First up, it contains all the options that the base items has to offer. Apart from that, it also offers advanced settings for the MegaMenu. Most of the settings are self-explanatory, so I won't dig much deeper into it. The only important setting you need to look for is this ID settings. This will help you connect your parent menu with the child menu, which is also known as MegaMenu. Alright, now it's time to add some content in the MegaMenu. I will click on this Add Block option and then select the MegaMenu parent block. On the right settings, you'll see the ID number. If you remember correctly, this is the same ID number for this New Arrival option, which means that from now on, whatever content I will add here will show under the New Arrivals option. First, I will add a collection block here. I will name it Boys Collection, and then I will also link the connection here. And as you can see, the Boys Collection is added in the MegaMenu. I will repeat the same steps and add a Girls Collection as well. One thing you'll notice here is that the MegaMenu is showing under New Arrivals and under Offers as well. That's because both of these menu items shares the same ID. To resolve it, you only need to change the ID for one of these items, and you'll be good to go. And now the MegaMenu will only appear under New Arrivals. Next, if you select any of the collection, you'll notice that we have so many customization options available here. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see this column width settings. This will help you position your collection in the right order. If I set the width to 50%, it will take half of the space in the MegaMenu. And if you only want to show two collections, then you need to set them for 50% each. I personally like to set the width to 25%, as it is the ideal size for this section. Next, I will click on Add Block and then add a link list here. I will drag it to the top, and then I will add a heading here. Next, I will select the main menu for this link list. And now, if you hover over the New Arrivals, you'll see that the link list is added in the menu. To add more menus, you can go back to your store dashboard and then go to the navigation option on the left. Here, click on Create Menu. Next, you only need to create different menus, which can be showed as a link list in the MegaMenu. Simply add the link list block here and then select the menu in the right settings, and then hit the Save button. That's how you can create a MegaMenu within Kalles theme. Next, you'll see that this MegaMenu is a little bit unorganized. To solve this, you need to adjust the width of each block to 25%. And now, the MegaMenu is looking better. Alright, Now I will create another mega menu under the Offers option. To do that, I will select the Offers block on the left sidebar. Next, I will go to the right settings and then add a label to it. Let's add a 70% off label for now. Next, make sure to pay attention to the block ID here. Next, go to the Mega Menu settings on that left and then add a Mega Menu parent block. Here, you need to change the ID. I will add 2 here, as it is the ID for the offer block. Next, just like we added menu items under new arrivals, we will add something to this offer menu as well. For example, I want to showcase some products here. So I will choose the product child block. Next, I have to choose a collection here and then hit the save button. And now you'll see that the products are visible in the mega menu. Of course, we need to adjust the width from the right settings so that it looks perfect. We can also set the number of items per row. I will set it to 5, and now it will show 5 products at a time. And just like this, we have created both of the mega menus for our store. But wait, we are not done yet. You see, we have only created the mega menu for the desktop mode. If we preview the store in the mobile view and then go to the menu, you'll notice that the old menu is still visible here. Unlike other Shopify themes, Kalles theme contains different menus for mobile and desktop mode, which is why we need to create a separate menu for the mobile view. To access the mobile menu, you need to scroll down to the footer settings. After that, you'll find options to customize the mobile menu. Of course, editing the mobile menu is not as complex as the desktop menu. We only need to select these blocks one by one and then change the text and links here, and we will be good to go. So I will quickly select each blocks here and change the links and text. Just like the desktop menu, mobile menu also allows you to add labels and icons, which can be really handful. Alright, I've added most of my collections here, so now I will simply delete all the remaining blocks from here. And now the menu is looking very nice. Next, we have the category tab in the mobile menu. This is a great place to mention all of your product categories, product collections, and so on. The editing process is the same as always. You need to add your collection name and icon, and you'll be good to go. And once you make all your changes, make sure to hit the save button so that you don't lose the progress you've made. I have already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Kalles theme in just 40 minutes. So, if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video.